What is going on, Sneaker Talk family? Welcome back to a brand new vlog here in the cold city of Toronto, Canada. Now today we're downtown doing a couple of things. We're going to do some sneaker raffle hunting. We're also picking up a pair of sneakers I bought that I have waiting for me at Livestock. Some very dope Air Jordan 1s, the very first of its kind. And right now we're also on the way to a camera store called Vistec. We're going to be picking up the brand new Sony a6600. I've been using the Sony a6500 the last 2 years on the channel. Been loving this camera. The Sony a6600, if you're a camera geek or if you're a vlogger, if you know anything about cameras, is a really big deal, and it's on sale right now for like $200 off. So we're picking it up, we're upgrading on the channel. You guys know I love getting great camera quality for you guys, some quality content and dope photos as well. Hopefully this improvement on the camera gear and all that stuff will also up the quality of the channel. With that said, after we pick up the brand new camera, we're entering the Yeezy raffle for the brand new, I think, Yecheils, and then we're also going for the raffles for the off-white Nike Dunks as well. And there's also the brand new Yeezy 500 High that just came out today. So with that said, let's hit up the first stop of the day, the camera store. Now, I'm a huge camera junkie because I love vlogging, so I figured I'd quickly go over all the cameras I've used for this channel. So if you're an aspiring YouTuber or content creator, you might want to look into one of these cameras. But on this channel, I've used the Canon 70D, the Canon G7X, the Canon G7X Mark II, the Sony RX100 Mark III, the Sony a6500, and Canon T7i. So those are all the cameras that I built this channel with, and we're here, so let's do it. So we are in luck. They have the Sony a6600. I think they said it was the last one they had in stock, so I came at the right place at the right time. Very stoked to have this out. The major feature for this I really wanted was the flip out screen and the upgraded eye autofocus detection. This thing is going to be an absolute beast. Oh, it also has like better color, I believe. And if you guys vlog or create content, let me know in the comment section down below what camera you guys are using right now. Bag is secured. Let's get going to the next set of stores. We're going to be going over to Foot Locker, I think Champs, Foot Action, all at the Eden Center. Going to enter some Yeezy raffles, and we'll also show you guys what they have available in stores right now. Alright, so we just made it to Foot Action right now. They have the Yeezy raffle at the very front of the store, I can see. And they got the Adidas section there, the Nike section there. Starting off with the Vapor Max selection, we got the Nike Vapor Max Plus right here in this red colorway. Very deep red. These are $255 Canadian plus tax. One of the newest colorways to come out for this sneaker. We have a Vapor Max right here on sale for $199. These ones remind me of those Vapor Max Cactus flea markets, I believe. Now $200 on sale. These are pretty dope. Pretty dope Vapor Max. There aren't too many Vapor Maxes that are a cool lifestyle version like this. Few Air Max Pluses right here are Air Max TNs. We have this new bread colorway. Really impressed with this. This is a completely brand new colorway. We also have these ones, so the evolution of Swoosh Pack, I believe, but a brand new colorway too. Sort of gives off these South Beach kind of vibes with the blue and the pink. I messed with these. These are pretty dope. And then we have the red one right here as well from that pack. Not too crazy about these, but I do like the different shades of red that they have going on. These are on sale for $149 Canadian dollars. Damn, the Nintendo 64 Air Max 97s are on sale now for 25% off. I told you guys, I told you these would go on sale eventually. $240 retail is a bit too much. They also have like the South Beach kind of colorway, you could say, for the 97s here too. Pleasant surprise, the Inside Out pack is also on sale right now for $149. We have the wheat colorway, you could say, and then they also have the gray colorway here too. Pretty decent pickup for $149 plus tax. Here's a quick look at the rest of the Nike sneakers just to show you guys what they have in stock. They got some Cortez here on sale for $80. Pretty fair price for these bad boys right here. Here's a look at the Air Force One collection. We have a few mid-highs, the basic, you know, the essentials. We have these ones that I'm finding everywhere. They have the black colorway. This is a new colorway here too for the Air Force One Low. Pretty out there. This would be more for summer. Weird time of the year to release these ones. And they also have the new snakeskin ones. These ones just came out. I think this is a Quick Strike, not too sure, but it has this all over like python snakeskin. These are pretty cool. Retail price $170 Canadian, a bit higher, not your regular release or regular price as well. I like the black contrast on the swooshes as well, but these are clean. These are definitely clean. We also got the wheat ones that everyone gets during the fall winter month. They look like the Timberlands, of course. And dang, they still have the Gore-Tex ones here. This is surprising. I figured this would be the last colorway I saw, because this colorway is actually sold out in Japan. This bold yellow colorway, $195 plus tax. It's expensive for an Air Force One, but it does use a Gore-Tex upper, and Gore-Tex is a weather waterproof material, so they're heavy duty. You could almost wear these as like winter boots in the winter months, depending on your country. But in Canada, with all the ice and the sleet on the sidewalks, not too much traction going on here. But overall, it's a pretty dope sneaker and very, very loud for this time of the year. These will definitely break 1,000 necks. We also got the brand new Kyries right here. A lot of people were comparing these to the Yeezy 2s, and I absolutely see the comparison. I see the similarities. The way the back of the shoe is really reminds me of the Yeezy 2. Like, just look at the back right here. It screams Yeezy 2. Then you have the strap going across. That's just another big signifier right there. Really dope Kyrie basketball shoe. If I were to buy any of the Nike basketball sneakers here for lifestyle wear, I honestly think that the Kyrie 6s and this colorway is honestly the one I would definitely scoop up. So we're going to check out the Jordan section next, but check it out. There's a long lineup for the Yeezy lineup right now, so I'll let that line simmer down a bit. We'll check out the Jordans they have on display here. So we got the Michigan Air Jordan 5s. I remember seeing these at the outlets pretty quickly after the release, and check out that big crease. Imagine paying full retail price for a Jordan that's creased up like that in the store. That hurts seeing that. We also got, I believe, the FIBA Jordan 4s. We also have the What The Air Jordan 4s here too. Really, really dope. I'm tempted to buy these, but I want to buy them on discount. I'm not ready to pay full retail price for these. Next up, we got the Air Jordan 1 Bloodlines right here. These are sitting everywhere. I saw these the other day at the Nike store at Fairview Mall, and I'll probably do another mall vlog for you guys very soon at Fairview and Scarborough Town Center, but these are sitting everywhere. I'm not a fan of the red that's like on the perimeters of the leather panels right here. I don't really think I'd buy this shoe, but if you are in need of an Air Jordan 1 high, this is definitely a clean colorway you can pick up. Definitely better than a lot of the Jordan 1 mids in my opinion. So if you want that OG Chicago kind of vibe with the Nike Air on the tongue, then this is a pretty good option. For 25% off, we also have the black Air Jordan 3 JTHs. I like these, but I think I like my Bio Beige pair a little bit more. This is new. They have a new colorway of these Mars 270s. This is the grape colorway. I like what they're doing with the colorways. I mean, they have the shattered backboard version here, but at the end of the day, this is probably one of the ugliest sneakers of the year. I don't think any colorway is going to save this shoe. And this is really interesting too. We have sort of another shattered backboard inspired Air Jordan. And this sort of has like that tech wear kind of vibe. This is, I think, the third or fourth attempt at Jordan Brand's, dive into tech wear sneakers. Pretty cool, but I honestly don't think that the main demographic that likes Jordan Brand is going to be into these. Checking out the Converse real quick. I just want to show you guys a brand new Converse that came out that reminds me of the Off-White Chuck Taylors, because they actually have like a see-through panel right here. As you can see, just like the Converse Chuck Taylor Off-White. So they have two colorways, this one here and a green one. Not a fan of these. We have a brand new colorway of the Vans Skate High, sort of deconstructed Off-Whites. We nicknamed them a while back. These are 115 Canadian. Here's a look at the Puma section. They have a ton of dope Pumas here today. Some RSXs, some RSX Cubes. We'll quickly show you guys a few of them. We got the Cell Aliens right here for 50% off. That's 70 Canadian for these. We also have the RSX3 in a colorway I've never really seen before. Here's a look at some of the Puma RSX3s I really like. I love this colorway, probably my favorite out of the bunch. We also got the mid-top RSX3s. We have the black version here. I think this is definitely the better version out of the two. Here's just a quick look at the other Puma sneakers they have available. A lot of them on sale. So now we are in the Adidas section of Foot Action. They have a bunch of the Star Wars stuff, and I'll show you guys the cool setup in a second, but they got the Ultra Boost 19s, two of the Star Wars versions right here. Ooh, these are cool. I did not know they made these. This is a Darth Vader Adidas NMD with the gradient on the boost and the line down the middle. We also have a Yoda NMD. What? And then this looks weird. It looks like a mutation kind of thing on the midsole right here, that white to green fade, the gradient. Here's a look at the Ultra Boost selection that they have here. Quite a few pairs on sale down below, like the sort of Oreo colorway. They also have the Hues for 150 in two different colorways as well. We have these Trail Runners for 250, the pink colorway. We also got the neon colorway here too, and the brand new Ultra Boost 20s. Damn, these are sick, man. These are sick. I love what they did on the midsole. I hope these are comfortable. We also have the gray colorway here as well, so it's cool. They didn't release one colorway to start off this new sneaker. They instead released like a pack of them. And this is a very, very interesting Adidas NMD. It's like the next evolution of it. If you guys look closely at the front Lego block, it sort of looks like a different shape, not the two Lego blocks we're used to seeing. These are cool, man. These definitely are a nice updated look. I don't think they're going to bring back the hype to the NMD, but definitely a solid shoe. And these are retailing for 170 Canadian dollars, the new NMD for 2019 or 2020. And they have a few other colorways. This is the triple black colorway they have. Here's the other colorways. And this is the final colorway right here too. Here's a look at the Star Wars displays they have at the front of the store. They have a bunch of like astronaut costumes, you could say, on these Adidas Star Wars decked out mannequins. And they have an Adidas night jogger here too at the very front of the store. Not too crazy about these ones. I am looking forward to the Ninja Adidas Night Jogger though. Those will be really cool next year. Alright, so raffle number 1 is in the books here at Foot Action. They also let people pick up their Yeezy 500s today, the highs, if they won the raffle. But next up, we're heading over to Foot Locker. Now, I can't usually film in this Foot Locker, but I was just told by some subscribers that bumped into me at Foot Action that there was a size 10 Air Jordan 11 bread still sitting inside of this Foot Locker. So I'm hyped. That's my size. I was at a sneaker convention the day they dropped. I didn't enter any raffles, so this might be my one shot to pick up a pair of bread 11s for retail. Now, I'm not a huge Jordan 11 guy, so we'll see how they look like on my feet. If I like them, I'll keep them. If not, I'll probably sell them for retail or give them away to one of you guys. So let's check Foot Locker and hopefully we can get lucky. Alright, so turns out no look at Foot Locker. They were completely sold out, not even a chance. They had some women's sizes left available, but I'm not a woman. Foot Locker also wasn't running any raffles today for the Yeezys, so we got 2 more stores to hit up. We have the Foot Locker out on Yonge Street, and then we also have the Champ store inside of Eden Center. And I actually have gotten some pretty good luck at the Champ Sports store. I once won the Oxford Tan Yeezys, and I also won a couple other Yeezys in the past year, so my luck is best at the store. Painless, simple, no lineup at all for the Yeezy raffle, so that was really easy. So we're done at Champ Sports. I can't really film inside of there either, but they did have some amazing prices on a lot of Puma sneakers and some other stuff too. So if you're looking for some of the cheapest sneakers inside of the Eden Center, Champ Sports is definitely worth hitting up. So next up we have Foot Locker on Yonge Street, and then we have Livestock, where we're gonna check out my brand new sneaker pickup and the new Yeezy 500 highs if they still have them in stock, and enter the raffles for the Yeezys and the off-white Nike Dunks. Looking for today, but it looks like I got pretty lucky. I think I got lucky. These are sitting. So these are the Bread Air Jordan 1 mid right here, the Bread Cell. Hey man, how you doing? You guys happen to have these in a size 10 by any chance? All right, thank you. So yeah, employee recognized me. That's cool. And we got the Bread Toe Jordan 1 mids. What do you guys think about these for a quick first impression? Are these a cop or a drop? The Air Jordan 1 mid Bread Toe. Now it's not a deep varsity red or gym red. This is almost like a almost looks like a burgundy. It's not the, the shade of red we're used to seeing, and I think that's why these are sitting. If these were that real gym red, these would have sold out instantly. And I also am not a fan of the patent leather swoosh right here that they have. It's the same material they have on the shatter backboard mids, but yeah, it's not the shade of red that I really like, so I understand why these are sitting. Here's a quick look at the Jordans at Foot Locker Yonge Street. Nothing we really haven't seen anywhere else. We also have the Bloodlines sitting here, just like at all the other locations, so easy to find these. And I haven't seen too many of these today. The New York Knicks Air Jordan 3s. Dope colorway, but not a Knicks fan, so I'm gonna throw these back on the shelf. Oh yeah, and how could I forget? They also have these dope black Jordan 12s, perfect for the fall and winter.